So hello, I am in a random run. Everyone's on life support except for me in that pink cranberry Casper. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Ooh. Oh, there's nothing. Update, I tried to save Ginger, but for some reason Twisted didn't go to me. Okay, good. I need to do at least one machine for my mastery. Whoa, 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 whoa. I bet Ginger saw that. Ooh la la, ooh la la. I'd literally distract, but I'm not wearing trinkets. How? Ginger, save you, Ginger. Oh, Ginger, Ginger, please. ABC. They just died right in front of us. These girls don't care. She even flipped her hair. She's scheming. Oh, this is insane. Save you. Oh yeah. Ginger's tree. Nani. Oh wait, that's Roger talking. For context, Ginger was on 2 hearts and Roger was also on 2 hearts. And they were asking Ginger to heal them. Like, bro, you're fine. No, thank you. Someone just died. Someone just died. I don't know who it was. It's Connie. If you're trying to save her from that. No, I haven't. I'm a liar. I've not tried to save her. Woohoo! I'm gonna make you guys dizzy. I'm sorry. Up to. It reminds me of that one Shelly and V meme. The music. Oh no. Oh god. I didn't record when the lights went out. It's Glisten. Did you not see? Since yeah. Yeah. I'm used to not talking since I don't record much often. So, this is why I haven't posted in a while. Yeah. My pod. We survived! Yeah! Woohoo! I don't sound excited because I I, I kind of expected her to die. I always get bad teams. You're in one. How are you? Oh no! Oh no! Who saw me? I was just boxing. Oh, thank goodness there's only 2 twisted. They picked up an item. Dang, they're so bold. Oh, I can see her thanks to this very low graphic. It's quality. She's going here. Oh god. Oops. Picked up an item. Oops. I forgot that ornaments count. Please leave me alone. Oh. That means I wasted that, didn't I? Oh man. Darn it. What? I didn't realize. Yeah. I found another machine. Dang, so Sigma. She picked up something. That scared me. That absolutely scared me. Wait, research. I need research. Yay! Alright. Congratulations. Yeah, I just use the pre-prepared chats, so what? I can't see a single thing. I never lost this. Don't die on me, bro. Using my ability on myself. Yeah. Using my ability for myself. Oh, it doesn't have ability. Whoa. Daddy sold the band. We've been saved. Why do I... Whenever I turn off the recording, then something happens, bro. Like... Please end this nightmarish blackout loop. Thank you. Okay. What? For a second I thought it was Bobette. That scared me. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm so cool. I could literally distract, but I just really don't have the trinkets. I just realized we both have group chat. I'm so thankful they talk. I gotta go, y'all. Bye. This was this ginger is amazing. They survived until 4:11.